Hello there, fellow consumers. Let's talk about AliExpress. It's like a massive online bazaar, overflowing with everything you could ever imagine. Need a phone case shaped like a banana? AliExpress has you covered. Yearning for a life-size cardboard cutout of your dentist? Look no further. But beyond the sheer absurdity, AliExpress offers a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs, particularly those just starting. Think of AliExpress as a giant warehouse of products ready to be shipped directly to your customers. You don't have to deal with the headache of manufacturing or holding inventory. It's a beautiful thing. But here's the catch. With millions of products vying for attention, finding those hidden gems, those winning products can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack the size of Delaware. Don't worry though, because that's where we come in. We're about to equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate this digital jungle and emerge victorious. Buckle up, Buttercup, it's about to get interesting. So, how do we actually find these elusive winning products? Fear not, dear reader, for there are methods to this madness. One highly effective strategy is to become a trend spotter extraordinaire. Keep your finger on the pulse of what's hot and happening. Browse social media, check out online communities, see what people are buzzing about. Are unicorn-shaped pool floats suddenly all the rage? Maybe it's time to stock up. Is there a new fidget toy that's driving everyone bonkers? Jump on that bandwagon. Another powerful tool in your arsenal is AliExpress's very own search function. Yes, that little search bar at the top of the page can be your best friend. Use it wisely. Look for products with high order counts, positive reviews, and maybe even a few quirky comments thrown in for good measure. And don't be afraid to filter your results. Remember, we're not looking for just any product. We're looking for winners. Section 4, AliExpress by the numbers stats that matter. Now let's talk numbers, shall we? Because in the world of e-commerce, data is king. Did you know that AliExpress boasts over 100 million active buyers worldwide? That's a whole lot of potential customers. And these shoppers aren't just browsing, they're buying. In fact, AliExpress processes millions of orders every single day. It's a whirlwind of consumerism. But here's the real kicker. Some product categories are more popular than others. Fashion, home and garden, electronics, these are the heavy hitters, the crowd pleasers. But that doesn't mean you should ignore niche markets. Remember, there's a buyer for everything, from glow-in-the-dark shoelaces to miniature Zen gardens for your desk. Section 5. Putting it all together, your action plan. All right, folks, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've explored the vast wonderland of AliExpress, delved into the art of product selection, and even dabbled in the exciting world of statistics. But now it's time to put all this knowledge into action. It's time to create your very own winning product strategy. Start by identifying your interests and passions. What gets you excited? What problems do you see that need solving? Once you have a general direction, dive into research mode. Scour AliExpress, stalk social media, become a trend-predicting guru. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. And most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop searching for those winning products.